Every morning, the Thompson family gathered for breakfast, a time of laughter, shared stories, and quiet lessons about life. Mr. Thompson believed that true success began with discipline, a value he was determined to pass on to his sons. "Discipline is the key to unlocking your potential," Mr. Thompson declared. "Focus your energy on what matters, and every day will bring you closer to your dreams." His words filled the room with hope, though the boys took them in very different ways. At school, Jake embraced his father's advice, devoting himself to learning and self-improvement. Meanwhile, Sam found comfort in leisure, believing time was meant for play, not for hard work. After school, Mr. Thompson challenged his sons to solve problems using their initiative. Jake worked on puzzles and projects with determination, whereas Sam's distractions multiplied and time slipped away without purpose. As the days passed, small tests of character emerged. Jake's steady progress earned quiet praise, but Sam's lack of focus began to show in missed opportunities and forgotten tasks. One weekend, Mr. Thompson gave the boys a responsibility for their vegetable patch. Jake embraced the task with care, while Sam delayed and distracted himself. It was a subtle test of self-discipline that would shape their futures. With time, Jake's hard work bore fruit literally and figuratively. His garden flourished, and the pride in his eyes told the story of a young man on the path to success, while Sam's patch lay neglected. When a local contest for innovative ideas was announced, Jake saw it as a chance to further prove his worth. Sam, however, brushed it off, missing an opportunity that might have changed his outlook. Jake poured his heart into his project, using every lesson his father had taught him. His disciplined efforts transformed a simple idea into a well-researched blueprint for future success. On the day of the contest, Jake's presentation was a triumph, clear, innovative, and full of passion. His hard work and self-discipline shone through, earning nods of approval and admiration from all. Jake's efforts were rewarded with first prize scholarship and funding to develop his project further. The joy of his success lit up the room, a clear testament to the power of discipline. Over dinner, while the family celebrated Jake's success, Sam sat quietly, his heart heavy with regret. He realized that his indifference had cost him valuable opportunities, and the gap between him and his brother began to widen. In the still of the night, Sam's mind raced with regret. For the first time, he truly understood that self-discipline wasn't just about following orders, it was about investing in oneself and seizing every chance to grow. Recognizing the shift in his younger son, Mr. Thompson sat down with Sam. "It's never too late to change," he said kindly. "Discipline is a path you can choose every day." Inspired by his father's words, Sam resolved to embrace a new way of living. As time passed, the Thompson family saw two very different paths unfold. Jake's disciplined pursuit led him to success and innovation, while Sam, with newfound resolve, began working hard to rebuild his potential. In the end, Mr. Thompson's lessons of self-discipline proved that while the journey might be different, every step taken with purpose brings the family closer together toward a brighter, united future.